morning, people. I start vlog out my days and I'm bringing you into more like a daily basis thing. I'm gonna start do like a lot more than we regularly do too. So I'm gonna bring it all up on the journey and thing. But today, both of meet up with Caddy, Monil, Yara, and Sean. We're going fishing. Soon in a little bit. Yes. I don't know if you can see me because the sun never coming out. So just jump in the car. From where I'm gonna meet up with all them.
It's the 23rd, you know?
23rd?
26th. You hear me?
Yeah, me just turned on this with you.
Ah, yeah, man. Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna make a little stop at Walmart still. It's a fishing license, I guess. So, just don't have to stop there. So. Go on in there. Sean.
Somebody texted me and told me there's a...
Huh?
I'm gonna call him, yeah.
Are you gonna... You reach back in that car and I'm on them there for the tile store.
One hour later.
One hour back on the road. So, only lo vaya so. So much. Dog. How y'all go with that? How y'all butcher? Huh? How y'all butcher with that? So we're good for parking. So, yeah, my properties and take on the road. So now we have to reach on so. What's that, Chad? So brother, even Baba.
Yo, you should have done that over there, bro.
That's what I'm saying.
You should have done that over there. We're going under the bridge.
Oh, the guy, man. Oh, he's casting shit.
No,
here?
It's too hot, bro.
I ain't stepping out here.
You can fish out right here, but it's better if you go under the bridge.
Yeah. Alright, fine. I think I screw. The bridge way over there, so. Down that bridge. So we can catch today. DJ Sean Stars. Come on. The fish right now. I catch some more running him, I don't know about him. Anything out there, a swim must come in. You don't know about that. The whole squad there. Yeah, so far spot the show going over there, so. But we're catching up here still, but I can't even choose that, so. Yeah. I'm gonna catch it. I really... Get something, got him. Oh. That nigga got some. That nigga caught some. That nigga caught. So, go out there. We ain't get a damn thing. I'm a camera dead. Go on, man. Go on with that. Oh, we're going to cut that up. I feel no way still. Come on.